Hi everyone! In this video, I'm gonna show you what's the difference between the regular release measure and the newly released, which is the Type 2 and the Command Type P-Bandais. First, we're gonna see what are we getting from the regular release measure. So I have here the Type 1 measure, which is released in July 2020. You get the rifle with the additional trigger arms. And then you get two beam saver included in the kit. Now we're gonna check what's the difference between this measure, which is the Type 1 measure, and the Type 2 measure, which is you can see here. The Type 1 measure is closely identical to the Type 2 measure with a few differences. So the main difference that I see is that the leg part here is totally different. As you can see, the legs for the Type 1 measure is more lean. Compared to the Type 2 measure, the legs is called the lifting flare. The legs of the Type 2 is totally different. As you can see, it's more bulky, and as a P-Bandai, these legs are made and reproduced with new parts. And then included in the P-Bandai is the open arms that are totally different and are not included in the regular release. And the last difference between the regular release measure and the Type 2 P-Bandai is that the head includes a new part that could reproduce a command type head. So all in all, that would be the difference between the Type 1 regular release measure and the Type 2 P-Bandai release measure. Now we're gonna check the difference between the other measure and the Type 2 command type P-Bandai. So we can see the obvious difference on the color. So the command type comes in the purple and pink color with the yellow trims. The Type 2 measure command type includes the legs with the lifting flare, and it also includes the additional newly reproduced parts for the head to recreate the command type mobile suit. And aside from those, there's also a new parts that are included in the command type. You have additional parts to recreate the right shoulder, which is similar to this one, and then to recreate these legs. So remember, the command type has those lifting flares legs, which is different from the regular release measure. So with that, you also have the ability to recreate the backpack. So you could change this to a backpack. So remove these thrusters. So that would be the measure Type F naked. And if you want to see the Type F in action, you can watch Hathaway Flash. You can see Emeralda Zubin piloting one. So check it out. And that was a quick video showing what's the difference between the regular release measure and the newly released P-Bandais, which is the F Type 2 measure and the Type 2 command type measure. So hopefully this video helps you figuring out what's the difference, because at a glance, they look pretty similar, especially the regular release and the Type 2 measure. Also, I would like to thank Masamune Studio for sponsoring this video. You can visit their website for all your Gunpla needs, so check out the link in the description. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment for the algorithm, share it to your friends, especially your friends that are into P-Bandais. Let me know in the comment if I missed anything and if you have additional information regarding these kits. And lastly, thank you for watching and keep building.